Hello, my name is Chelsea Lockwood and I'm head of Year 6, and I'm so excited to share about the upgrades we have to the STEAM facilities in primary next year. In primary, we are going to have some new learning spaces. We have a separate space for years 1 and 2, which is more suitable for the type of play-based learning that they will be using, and then a separate room for years 3 to 6. And this will allow them all of the space and opportunity to create together in a more hands-on way. The new rooms have wide collaborative spaces for the students to innovate and create together. This is a great opportunity for project-based learning and for hands-on learning. We have new washing up areas for the students to clean paintbrushes or get water for experiments, and large display cabinets to showcase student learning, which is something we really love to do at the school and share students' work and celebrate it. STEAM room layout is designed to spark collaboration, creativity and innovation amongst our students. We have dedicated maker and creator spaces, flexible seating, large tables and desk areas for them to create, build, come up with new ideas. So this is a really exciting development for our school.